Guys, welcome back to the channel. I apologize, I have been scarce. I do apologize. A lot of things have been happening with my life, investment, business, and things like that. And hopefully, as we continue, I'll be able to share some of the latest developments. I've been away, especially concerning business. I remember, I think in previous videos, I mentioned that I joined Forex trading not just for making money, but also as a way to generate capital for other ventures. So I've been also involved in those other ventures that I'm pursuing. So hopefully I'll be sharing more stuff concerning those ventures as we go on. But I'm back. I am going to try and share the knowledge. Whilst I was away, I also took some time to just reflect on the channel and think over if I am doing what I wanted to do with this channel, which is, as it says, Forex Trading Strategies. I initially wanted to share Forex trading strategies with people who cannot afford to join mentorships, join those VIP groups, join those expensive stuff that mentors share. When I started Forex trading, I did not have money to join those expensive programs. So I know many people who are in that situation. The person does not have money to join those expensive programs, but yet they are willing and they want to learn Forex trading. So that's why I started this channel. So hopefully going forward, I'm going to be revealing and sharing more concerning Forex trading strategies. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video. Is the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. If you're looking to download stuff, you know what to do. There are links in the description box below. Visit blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Okay, let's get into today's video. I was just talking about Forex trading strategies. Funny enough, the topic of today is also concerning Forex trading strategies. So we were just having a chat with some of my friends about the best Forex trading strategies. And we also realized that every person has their own favorite or their own best Forex trading strategy. You might have, well, a few where you kind of agree, but I realize that every person has their own Forex trading strategy that they think is the best. So that's the purpose of this video. For some people who are out there and are struggling and are still looking and hunting for the best or the perfect Forex trading strategy. By the way, there is no perfect Forex trading strategy out there. You will find all the strategies at some point they will take a loss, at some point of course they will make you money. So if you have a strategy today and for the next week, for the next 3 weeks it makes you money, and the next week it takes a loss, it doesn't mean now you chuck that strategy away and you need to look for the next strategy. Otherwise your life will always revolve in the hunt for the best Forex trading strategy. You will not find it. Every strategy will take a loss at some point and you need to accept that. You need to live with that. It's a fact. Even the big banks, even hedge funds, those traders, they also do take losses, but they have what it takes to recover those losses. We'll get into some of these things in the coming videos because every trader will take a loss. So let's discuss what's the perfect trading strategy. Feel free to disagree. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. So feel free to disagree if you think there is a perfect trading strategy out there. So what will be the perfect trading strategy. Point number one, what I think will be the perfect trading strategy is a strategy that fits your lifestyle. A strategy that fits your lifestyle. There are people who are working, there are people who are involved in business, there are people who are doing many other things, there are housewives, there are stay-at-home dads, there are students, there are people doing all other things outside, even sports. There are people who are athletes, and well, maybe you're doing wrestling, golfing, tennis, and that's your lifestyle. So what would be the perfect trading strategy? It's a strategy that suits your lifestyle. For example, if you are going to be a person who is bound in the office each and every day, you are a business person, or you're a manager, or you are you are a busy person in other things, then certainly strategies that focus on scalping, they will not work for you. You get what I mean? Because they do not fit your lifestyle. So do not go and buy a strategy that focuses on scalping when you do not have time to sit at the charts and watch the charts tick by tick, candle by candle, and do the scalping. So find a strategy that suits your lifestyle. You need to ask yourself that question. Describe your lifestyle. What is your lifestyle like? Now from there, find a strategy, a trading strategy that fits that lifestyle that you are already living. Otherwise, trading is going to be tough for you. Trying to readjust your lifestyle and trying to adjust to trading. Unlike when your trading suits your lifestyle already, then you're not going to have problems there. Second point is, like I alluded in the previous point, it has to be a lifestyle that suits your work schedule. We already know that many people who are going into trading, they probably already have day jobs, and they are hoping that one day they'll be able to leave their day jobs and just focus on trading. Or maybe they don't want to leave their jobs. They love their job, but they just want to make some money on the side. So it has to be a strategy that cannot conflict or cannot come against your existing job. If you don't want to lose your job, then certainly you need to find a strategy that is not in conflict with your current job. You don't want to be fired. And if you enjoy your job so much and you don't see yourself quitting your job, then certainly you need to find a strategy that you can balance with your job. That will be a perfect trading strategy for you. Then you also need to know your personality. It's important. I've seen this and it happens all the time. People see a person on Instagram posting huge profits, posting all these things, and they quickly just want to go and join this person's mentorship, or they just want to be mentored or join this person, learn about their strategy and things like that, when the strategy does not suit their personality. For example, there are people who are aggressive with the market, and there are people who are a bit laid back, and there are people who are fundamentalists, there are people who are too technical, and there are too, so you get the point. What's your personality? Do you want to be too involved in the markets, or do you want to just get into markets, analyze, and leave the markets to do what the market wants to do? Are you a person who is big on indicators, who is big on visual? There are people who are big on visual. Or are you a person who is big on fundamentals? You know your news, you know your events, and you. So what's your personality? Don't just buy indicators, buy mentorships, buy courses that do not fit your personality. Are you aggressive? Some people think they are gamblers. But are you aggressive in the markets? Are you a risk taker? Or are you a calculated risk taker? Let's say calculated risk taker. You don't just jump in the markets. It means you need then to select strategies that suit your personality. Then certainly you need to think about emotional intelligence, because let's face it, you will be challenged in the markets. They will challenge you. And if you're a person who is not balanced emotionally, it's easy to lose your money in the markets. For example, if you take a loss, can you take a loss and not be tempted to revenge trade? Are you able to take a loss without the need to revenge the markets? Because what kills many traders is revenge trading. You lose your $1,000 and you think, I'm going to catch the market on the next move and I'm going to make my $1,000. It doesn't work that way. So are you a person who is in control of their emotions? You need to be a person who is in control of their emotions. Otherwise you will lose money and you will lose money. So you need to think about that when you are looking at the forex trading strategies that you are being sold.